Hey people, so this is Apricot Trifle, and if you were to take a look at it, it's in a little cup. So yeah, that's how it is. And we are at this place called Chicha's. Chicha's bol rahe le lo selfie. That's what daba ke khao miyan. Bheja khate, how khate. That's how cute it is. And Ayush, I was going to say. Naila, if you want to take a bite, oh lord. This is supposed to be cake. That's what the menu card told us. And very nice, yeah. It is quite nice. I think it's made out of different layers. If you could see, so that's what this is. A very nice, cute little place, really. Very cozy. Very nice, Kamka. Really good, in fact. I think no, acha. Yeah, it is. That's what those of us who've not. It is a unique taste, really. So yeah, I'm so glad I'm here. And on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.